Hello, welcome to the 90s Bootleg 20oz Tumbler Wrap customization tutorial. Gee, that's pretty a mouthful, isn't it? Well, let's get started. There's a lot of things we can actually edit here. We can actually edit the name, custom text, the people, the model, or your person. We can even change the color of the background. So let's get started. So what I would like to suggest is maybe you can duplicate it first. There we go. So we've got one at the bottom there. Let's work with the top front one. We've got name. Click on that. We go edit. Now if I go a little bit too fast, you can always just replay this and pause as you need. So let's change this name, if I can spell Elizabeth here. Whoops, there we go. Update element. Boom, we've got her name right here. Now we're going to click on this and see if we can change the color background for the moment. So we're just going to select all of this because they're going to be in the way, and we're going to press delete on the keyboard. Gone. That's fine, that's fine. Don't remember, we've actually got the lady just below here, right? All our other as a template that we can copy and paste later. What happens if I want to change the color of the smoke? There we go. Scroll down. Okay, you see how we click one of the smoke? Got that. And as we go all the way down, smoke color changes. Scroll down. Let's see if I can actually change all of them in one sitting, because if you have the same color, you actually can't. Oops, that one's not the same color. Okay, so that's fine. We can just select that, change color. Let's go with, I don't know, let's go with red. Boom, red. Go back. Let's go with the last one at the bottom, which we didn't get. That one. Click that. And boom. Red. Now, if that's red, what about the name? We can do that too. Let's go to red. There we go. Let's pick a red somewhere. What sort of red shall we pick? Sometimes the ideas that get you started already has some nice colorways. Let's just have a look. Let's try this one. It's pretty close to what we want. Yep, and we can actually click here, change it to some other color, which is kind of like the same gradient. And we can do that. Let's try something. Okay, we can do that. Yep. Oh, it's a bit pinky. It's fine. And we go update element. And bam. So we've got a red look here. That's pretty good. Now, custom text, you can write a inspirational saying. I am going to say, you're, don't want to be all text, all capital text. You're the storm that they've whispered about. It's pretty nice. You're the storm that they whispered about. You're the storm they've whispered about. Let's try that one. It's a bit too long. That's fine. You're the storm they've whispered about. Nice, nice. Okay, let's just go. There we go. Let's go that. There we go. Oh, but where's our people? Don't worry, we're just gonna grab them from here. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Command C or Control C on a PC. Let's go back up here and let's paste it. Let's just say somewhere here, and boom, they're all there. And then one might go, but, and you see, notice the position's all the same as the previous one you've copied over. That's pretty good. Now you're going, well, it's got a blue outline. I don't really want the blue outline. Let's go to edit. We've redone the background remover. We are going down to shadows. Yes, glow shadow, all good, but we just want to change the color. So we move down here. Oh, nice. Copy and paste this so that we can select it for everybody else. Command C or Control C on a PC. We go here. Done. Looking pretty close to what we want, but what if I want to change the model? Let's go look for some pictures that you would have uploaded. Here's what I prepared earlier. I can drag this lady over here. Make sure you get her. Oh, there we go. Get her. Done. Let's try her here. Oh, I like this love heart. Let's go in there. Done. And you can always adjust as needed. And that's it. It's pretty good. I hope that you enjoy it and you learn lots and be able to personalize to your heart's content.